way like that. I think theoretically you want the screws to be inside so that if somebody's trying to manhandle the door from the outside, you can still get to these. But this one does not have a lock, so I don't think it really matters. I think we'll check. We won't just wing it, because winging it is not a fantastic idea. But I think this seems to work just fine. What happens if we do it the other way? If we do it the other way, would it still work if you put it in the other way? I guess it doesn't matter, guys. At least not for this one, because it doesn't have a button to lock it. So anyway. I guess in the next one I'm going to screw this in, and since I'm going to go this way so you guys can see the screws. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.